Hey guys, Olivia here, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to do cowtails. This is a generally popular move for cutting shapes. I like to mix it into my shuffle and shaping flow. So let's get started. A quick demonstration on what a cowtail is. It's where you swoop your foot behind you and you kind of like make a circle with it. So from the back. So to do this move, it's really helpful to have a general understanding of the Charleston, which is this move here, which I have a tutorial on that, which I will link below. It's in my Shuffle Basics tutorial. It's an old video, but it does teach the Charleston. So if you don't know the Charleston yet, I would definitely recommend learning that first because that'll make this a lot easier. So I'm going to be teaching you how to do a cowtail from the Charleston. So I'm going to share with you guys one of my tips that really helped me when I was struggling to learn the cowtail on the left side, because I, for some reason, decided to learn all my moves on the right side first and not practice on the left side, which I don't recommend. But I found a visualization in my mind that really helps with this move. So one thing I want you guys to think about, as with many shuffle tutorials people point out, but if you create like an X, just like, or not even create one, you can make one on a tape or chalk or whatever. I just like to visualize an X, like you're standing right in the middle, you got a line that goes this way and a line that goes that way. So if you're, say, wanting to do a cowtail on your right side, you're gonna take this right leg and you're gonna want to envision this foot going right down that diagonal part of the X. And you're going from the top all the way to the bottom. And that's the first thing to really think about. So you start at the top of this X and you bring your foot all the way down and across. Right down that diagonal of the X. Once you get to the end of this X, you're going to be slowly lifting. So you go diagonal down. When you hit that bottom, start to lift up, and then you're gonna go up and around. So from the front, you're going down that X, go all the way down, lift up, go up and around. So start at the top, all the way down that X, lift up and around. I like to point my toes when I do this. I feel like it makes it easier to lift it like up and around. So one more time from the back, go all the way down, lift up and around. So how we bring the Charleston into this, when you're doing cowtails, you never, like in anything shuffling or shaping, you never have one foot just like not doing anything. So you're going to be, as the same thing with the Charleston, how you move your feet like this the whole time. You bring that heel in and out. You bring that heel in and out. So for this, instead of doing the Charleston and stepping that foot either in front or in back, you're going to be doing this motion at the same time. So what I want you guys to practice, you're gonna be starting with this as if you have your toe in for a Charleston. So point your left toe in, your right toe to the top right of this X. So as soon as this foot hits around your heel area, you're gonna be turning it in like a Charleston. And then you're turning it back out and back in. So bum, bum. So your left foot is going bum, bum, bum. So left foot is going heel, heel. In, in. Bum, bum, bum. So after you do that rotation, you're just stepping down in front, just like you were in a Charleston. So this right foot goes right in front in that Charleston position. So you go bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. So let's go over that one more time. You go to that right corner, Boom, boom, boom. As you lift. Right corner. Boom, boom, boom. So for the left side, it's the same thing. Just going from that left corner this time instead. So you got your left corner. This heel is doing the same thing. That boom, boom, boom. Left corner, go all the way down the X. Bring up and around. Boom, boom, boom. So, from the front, that left side, your right foot is doing that heel in and in. So in and in for that heel. Top left of the X, bring it all the way back, up and around. All the way back, up and around. And we're gonna land back in that Charleston, just with our left foot in front. So, boom, boom, boom. To go into a cowtail from your Charleston, it's literally the same thing I just taught you guys with that heel in and out. It's still the same thing. You'll just be going from your Charleston this time. So, Charleston right and left, and for that and, you're gonna just swoop and then go in. So if you have right and left and go. Boom, 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 boom. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Same thing with the left side. So we're gonna go left, right, cowtail this time to do the left side. So left, right, boom, boom, boom. So from the front, so right, left, boom, boom, boom. Left, right, boom, boom, boom. Something I like to do a lot of the time with my flows is I like to do continuous cowtails. And what continuous cowtails look like are this, where you go left and right consistently, one right after the other. Boom, 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 boom. So let's start with the right. As soon as you land this right cowtail, as soon as this foot goes down, you're immediately lifting up your left, bringing it back up and around. So you got right. As soon as you hop this right foot down, you're stepping right into that other cowtail. So you have your right. As soon as you step down, you're switching that foot and bringing this one up and around. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. And you can continue them as much as you want. So, boom, 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 boom. But the biggest thing to remember is just lifting that foot up as soon as you get that other one down. Boom, boom. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope this was helpful. You can find me on social media, on like most of the platforms at Live and Large CO. I post a lot of freestyle videos and mini tutorials to my Instagram, and also my TikTok. And then of course my YouTube. I post longer tutorials and more explanatory tutorials. And yeah, so I hope this was helpful, and I hope you guys have fun doing cowtails and throwing these into your shuffle and shaping flow.